Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back, and today I'll be going over two trades that I took today on EURUSD. Very simple ping pong, yeah. Keep watching and let's get into it. So I'm gonna switch to 5 minutes right here, and this is the first trade. This buy right here and this sell right here on the wick. By the way, both of these trades were sent into the Discord, so if you want to join, link is in the description. You see everything real. You can check the time, 479, entry price 479. The second one is this one, where I sent it right here. Sell limit on the wick, 4 sells. Sell limit on the wick right here, 4 sells. Beautiful. And yeah, let's get into it. So first of all, I will delete everything from the chart and let's get into it. As you know, we need to identify the structure, and right here we can see that the price is making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. So the trend is bullish, so we're gonna be looking for buys only. We need to switch to lower time frame to find some kind of POI within the discount of this whole push, like this. So I'm gonna put my fips from the bottom of the move to the top of the move, and we need to find some valid POI. If you don't know how to find a good POI, make sure to check my previous video. But right here we have area of filling. So this is number 1, and right below that we have beautiful doji POI that swept liquidity on the left, as you can see. This doji traded below this wick. Let me show you what I mean by that. See, POI. So this wick is lower than this wick, so it swept liquidity right here, which means it's probably the best POIs that you can have. So at this point I just set this zone like this and waited for some kind of confirmation, because I know that we are in a higher time frame supply zone, so sells can come just easily like this, break below the zone, and stop loss can get hit. So I waited for some kind of confirmation like this to take the market either here or into the hold on, what is that? Alright, I'm back, sorry for that. So either this wick right here on 5 minute like this, or this 15-minute POI right in the zone where I was looking to sell also. So I just switched to 1 minute and waited for price to come into this zone, give us our confirmation, either wake off like this or easy flip zone, which is even more simple. See, you have supply right here, we have reaction from the supply and then break of the supply, and then we enter on the reaction from the supply like this. If you don't know about flips, make sure to check my video. I have a really nice explanation of it, very simple, very quick. And yeah, remove everything like this, and yeah, let's wait. Alright, so the price is here, and right here, once we tap into the PY, we're gonna look for the last point of supply, which is this doji right here. From this doji, we need to see either change of character without reaction, or even the better thing, we need to see reaction from the doji and then break, and we can enter on the reaction like this. So we have 2 scenarios, so we're gonna wait. Alright, we broke above the doji, so this is our change of character this, change of character. And if you look right here, there is clean reaction to the downside. As you can see, these two wicks right here, this is POI, this is hidden POI, and it's reaction before break. So this is flip zone. Let me show you what it looks like on like 30 seconds. So let's say this is the supply zone, like this. This is the supply zone right here, and then we have reaction. This is these two wicks like this. These two wicks are the buy to sell wicks, sell to buy, sorry, in this case. And yeah, this is basically these two wicks on lower time frame. You have to understand what wicks are on low time frame, because if we have these two wicks hidden PY, basically means this, then the wick is selling pressure, so sell. This is the selling pressure like this into the bottom of the second wick, and then push up. So this is the POY, aka the flip zone that we marked out right here. So once I saw this, I just set limits immediately. 479, and I think it was, let me check again, 479, and SL was 459, like this. And the first take profit is this wick, and the second take profit is this demand zone at the top. So beautiful. Also, this is very nice because we have area of filling right here, so that's even more confluence for me that we are going to take off from here. So yeah, I just waited, got tagged in beautifully, as you can see. And same thing at the top, there is supply zone, so we need to wait for some kind of confirmation like this. Alright, so right here, this is called failed flip. It means that we have reaction from the demand in this case, and then the reaction broke. So this is, I call it failed flip. You can call it second break of structure, doesn't matter. But this makes the most sense to me. So after the fake flip, there is also POI at the top, the wick that I sent into the group, like this. Let me check what is the entry point and stop loss. So the entry point is 706 and stop loss is 21. 706 like this, and 21 like this. 1.5 in case, you know what I'm saying, gotta cover the high for spreads. And we can just target whatever we want right here. See, there is prices playing around below the POI, inducing people to sell early right here. So this is beautiful. Also creating liquidity at the bottom like this. And yeah, we can just wait, because people who got early in got induced right here. They got probably stop loss above this high already, because as you know, psychology is big thing in trading. We got beautiful tapped in right here with sniper entry, and right now we can just enter what target whatever we want. I think I sent the target like this, or check like this. So this is the first target that I told people to get out, because as you know, we are in a bullish market, so the market can easily just tap into this unmitigated demand zone like this and then go up. So that's what I did. And yeah, this is my take profit. It got hit, then I think price reversed right after that. So this is just recap of these two trades. Let me go over it again right here. So we have first buy, we have POI, the market came into it, and right now we need to mark our last supply zone, which is right here like this. Let me make it actually red so you can see better. So this is our last supply zone. We came into the supply zone, have reaction from the supply zone, then broke above it. So change of character basically. And change of character. And this is the flip zone that we had. Like this. I just set limits on this. Like this. And that's basically it. This is the first buy, and if you go over the sell, it's the same thing. Not the same thing, but very similar. I cannot change it. Oh, good. So the price came in here, give us reaction from the demand zone like this, and then failed flip. I call it failed flip. You can call it double break of structure, doesn't matter. Like this. And we had POI at the top, like this, wick POI, beautiful, very small SL, I think 1.5 only. We just targeted the next unmitigated demand range, which was right here, and that was it. Very, very simple, guys. I will probably make videos about the failed flip, because I don't see people talking about it that much, so I'll put y'all on game with this. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video, learned something new, and yeah guys, see you at the next one. Bye.